How to add your staff to EDAP. Adding a new user to your restaurant gives your staff their own login and helps keep track of who made changes on the system. Adding new users to EDAP is easy. From the settings page, click Venue Profile. Click Users. To add a new staff member, click Add User. Click Add New User. Add their name, email address, and create a password. Select the role of the member of staff you're adding. Select whether or not they are a reservation taker. Reservation takers will appear in EDAP when a new reservation is being created. This helps keep track of which staff members are responsible for creating which reservations. Subscribers to the phone integration feature can also add specific phone numbers to users so that calls are routed to correct members of staff. To learn more about phone integration, please contact us. Select whether your new user is a server. If you add a new staff member as a server, assign them a color. The color will be visible on the tables they are assigned to on your floor plan. Click Add User to create the new account. When created, your staff member will be able to log in with the email and password you created.